Hello and welcome to another Visual Basic programming tutorial. We are learning about object-oriented programming in Visual Basic, and today we'll learn about read-only properties. Read-only fields are those fields that you have to write a property with them such that the property will only going to have a getter. So the field will be declared exactly the same way, but it is the property with only a getter will force the field to be only read but not changed. So let's declare a field over here first, which is a private field. Let's call this college name as string. And inside the constructor, I will going to give this college name a value of GTC, and I will do the same in the overloaded constructor. Now when it comes to writing the property for this field, I will use the word public followed by the word read only, and then I can use the regular word property, and then I can give it a name such as CName as string and property. Okay. Now within this block, all I will going to do is I'm going to write get, and in the get I will simply write my return statement that this will simply return the college name. Now let me go to my main, and in the main, as I'm displaying the information about the course, information about the student, or course, I can also display the information about the college, for which I will going to write, after I declare my instance for the class, console.writeLine course1 dot CName. So let me run this so that you could see that it can display the college name. So as you can see that it displays GTC, which is the name of the college, followed by the two set of information which are coming from the ID. Now, I will going to try to override this by typing crs1.cname equals to grcc, and notice that that line automatically gives me an error when I hover over it. Says that it won't allow you to do this because it's a read-only property. So this is how you can be creating read-only properties in a class that will force you not allowing the user of this particular code to override the value. You could feed the value at the constructor level, and that will be the value that will be used throughout the execution. Now, one of the benefit of this is that the value will be held inside each instance. So the value will be at the instance level versus a global value, which is at the class level, which will stay in the memory of the class versus the memory of instance. So you only want this value to come to live when an instance is created. Otherwise, you don't want to be holding the memory. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'll catch you in the next tutorial with some more information about Visual Basic Object-Oriented Programming. And we are also working on C# programming tutorials, and soon we'll be covering object-oriented programming with C#. I'll catch you in one of the tutorials. Take care. Bye-bye.